How to turn off Spotify Jam. So if you want to turn off your Spotify Jam, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Spotify at first. After opening your Spotify, you need to go with the top left, which has that profile option. Or you can just simply go and select an album. And here on the right side, you will have three dots. You need to tap on it. And then you will have an option of start a jam. So in order to start a jam, you need to have a premium subscription. As it says, you need to have a premium on the right side. So you need to just make sure that you have a premium and then tap on start a jam and tap on start jam. In my case, I don't have any premium, but if you have Spotify Premium, then you can invite your friends through link sharing or scanning the QR. You'll have both the options to invite and to end the jam. This feature gives you control over how you listen to your Spotify jam, and when you're done, you can easily end it. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.